Have you ever wondered how you as a nurse can transform from a beginner to an expert? It's a journey of skill progression and deepening understanding. Today we are unraveling Patricia Benner's revolutionary model from novice to expert, a narrative that mirrors our own growth in the nursing profession. So let's embark on this insightful journey together. Hello there, my fellow healthcare warriors. It's Martin, your Danish male nurse, back with another enlightening episode. Today we're diving into Patricia Benner's From Novice to Expert model. This isn't just a theoretical concept, it's a practical guide that many of us follows, often unconsciously, in our nursing career. So, are you ready to discover how this model can be applied in your daily nursing practice? Patricia Benner's model was introduced in 1984. A year before I was born, and it's a cornerstone in modern nursing education and practice. It outlines 5 levels of nursing expertise, transforming our understanding of skill development in nursing. And the first step is, of course, novice. Picture this: you're fresh out of nursing school, eager yet insecure. What characterizes novices is they rely heavily on rules and guidelines with limited clinical experience. It's like following a recipe step by step without adding your own flavor to it. Next we have the advanced beginner. Here you start to gain more practical experiences. You have seen enough real-world situations to start making some connections. It's like adding a personal touch to that recipe you followed a few times. And if we move up, we reach the competent stage. This is where you've been on the floor for a couple of years. You are managing and organizing your workload more efficiently. And you're starting to see the bigger picture. And if we go back to the recipe, you start tweaking it a bit based on feedback and experiences. The fourth stage is proficiency. Now you understand situations as whole parts rather than in pieces. Your decision making is based on a deep understanding and wealth of experiences. It's like cooking a meal with a deep understanding of flavors and techniques, and adapting the recipe to give it your touch. Lastly, the expert stage. This is where your intuition comes into play. You have a deep understanding, a fluid, flexible approach to patient care. You're making choices with a subtle grasp of complex situations. It's like being a master chef, creating dishes with skills and creativity. If you're intrigued by Patricia Benner's model and its relevance to your nursing career, then you need to hit that subscribe button, join our community for a continuous insight into nursing theories and practical tips that can revolutionize your professional journey. Let's now delve a little deeper into this model's impact. Benner's model is more than a set of stages. It's a reflection on our growth as nurses. It shows us that expertise isn't just about technical skills, but also about developing intuition, understanding patient needs, and adapting to complex situations. Think about your own journey. Where do you find yourself in these stages? You can comment it down below or just think about it in your head. And when we look at these stages, you must remember it's not a race, it's a personal journey of growth and learning. The beauty of Benner's model lies in its recognition of value, of experience. It tells us that each day, each patient and each challenge adds to our reservoir of knowledge and skills. This model also highlights the importance of mentorship in nursing. As we progress, we have the opportunity to guide others on their journey, from novice to expert, sharing our insights and experiences. Because remember, the final stage of learning any concept is to be able to teach it. So when you can teach a new nurse a new technique, you are at your final stage of learning this part, but it's just a little cog in the entire machine, because you are also on a continuous journey. You might be an expert over here, but a novice here. So remember, it's about the journey. And if you want to get smarter on nursing theorists, then check out this playlist right over here where I delve into all the theorists I like. Right there.